It's my granddad.
It's your granddad. Are you enjoying that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too. Hope you enjoyed watching me eat the hot cross buns. I'm just working on my Albers tank here. I've had a few evenings in the house, so I'm making good progress on it. This is a test knit for Claire of Sister Mountain, and this is my naturally dyed Galway yarn. And my neighbours just started into something with an angle grinder, sorry about that. And this is a really lovely pattern. It is stranded colour work for some of it, and some rows are just plain. And to me it's a very addictive stitch pattern. So I'm really enjoying working on it. I'm on the verge of moving into my new dye studio, which I'm so excited about. I should be in there this week, dyeing the week after. So I'm really super excited about that. I'm really excited about doing the big clean in there, which is so sad, but it's looked dirty for so long, so I can't wait to do like a real proper good spring clean on it. So I'm really excited about that. I'm excited about getting new systems in place to get it all running efficiently, effectively, with as much ease as possible. And I want to come up with some new routines to bookend my day, because obviously when you work in the house mainly, it's very easy for your work to kind of continue in the evenings or whatever. So I want to come up with the new routines. I'd love to start the day with knitting and end the day with knitting, even just for 5 minutes. I think that would be so good. And maybe a walk at some point, either at lunchtime or in the morning. So I might have to get up a little bit earlier, although I'm getting up quite early these days, maybe like 6:30, just because it's so bright outside. So I just waken up, or rather my toddler wakens up and then wakens me up. So yeah, so it's lovely. I'm really enjoying the spring this year. I'm enjoying the gardening, getting so much done at the minute. And I'm really enjoying the beautiful light in the mornings and the evenings. The time's about to change tomorrow. I'm enjoying the bird song. It's absolutely delightful this year. It's delightful every year, but I'm really noticing it this year. And yeah, so this pattern here that I'm wearing, this is the Evergrey sweater by the Petite knitter. This is quite a complicated colour work knit. It was stranded colour work as well. There's a lot of long floats in it, and I actually knit it a row quite wrong here, and I think it was around the time I was pregnant. and I decided on purpose not to go back and fix it, as it's a little memory of that time, which wasn't particularly good. But I just thought, yeah, I think it's good to have a physical, yeah, some, not reminder, but just something that I carry on my body, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I decided not to rip it back. I usually always rip back mistakes. I don't love mistakes now that I can fix them easily. So yeah, so I have to do, I think about 27 centimeters of this, and it's definitely, I'm vibing with all these spring colors quite a lot, and I might try and mix something similar for my next shop update. You totally sold me out of the last shop update. I was so happy that you like the update, like colours, like the yarn, and I'm going to be doing as much as I can. Depends when I get into the studio, but I'm going to be doing as much as I can for the end of April, and if I have anything left, I'll go in the shop in May. So crazy that May is just around the corner. But yeah, I'm super enjoying working with this yarn. It's so squashy. Really nice. Okay, I've now chatted for almost 5 minutes, and you've probably all clicked on to the next video because I've just been rambling. So I'm gonna say bye and leave you with some nice knitting footage, hopefully. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.